Hello children, welcome back to my class. Now let us continue our first lesson textbook bit, last part, spelling bit. Complete these words with the double letters. First one, Mr. and Mrs. McGregor drove away in a horse. C-A-R-R-I-A-G-E, carriage, horse carriage. Second, the scarecrow was wearing an old woolen cap. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen cap. Third, the little rabbits didn't want to squeeze, S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E, squeeze under the gate because their clothes would get spoiled. Fourth, the bottle of milk, B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle of milk is in the fridge. The peas are in the freezer. F-R-E-E-Z-E-R, freezer. Fifth one, the baby loves her new rattle. R-A-T-T-L-E, rattle. The baby loves her new rattle. Okay children, that was the spelling bit. Now pronunciation, just you have to listen me and you have to repeat after me. 10, den. Now repeat. 10, den. Tip, dip. Tip, dip. Tie, die. Tie, die. Do, do. Do. Town, down. Town, down. Bat, bad. Bat, bad. Hit, hid. Hit, hid. Set, said. Set, said. Not, nod. Not, nod. But, bud. But, bud. Okay. Now listen and repeat. 10 cups hid in the den. 10 cups hid in the den. Repeat children. 10 cups hid in the den. D sound. Second, set the table, said mother. T sound. Set the table, said mother. Third, will you do me 2 favors please? Will you do me 2 favors please? Okay. Next, remove the peas from the pots and put them in the pot. Remove the peas from the pots and put them in the pot. Okay children, this life skill, no need, it is not important. So till here we have completed our first lesson textbook bits. Now let us go for the notebook part. Write in a 4-rule notes. Maintain 2 books of English, that is one is classwork and other is homework book. Okay. So first lesson, the tale of Benjamin Bunny. Words for practice. First one, Benjamin Bunny. Repeat after me. Benjamin Bunny. Second, horse carriage. Horse carriage. Remember, I have written here capital and here small. So here capital letter is nothing but proper noun, particular name of a animal, rabbit, right? So I have written capital. No need to write here again a capital. Children, okay? So wherever the name comes, I'll be writing capital letters. So you have to understand. Okay, Benjamin Bunny. Second, horse carriage. Horse carriage. Third, McGregor. McGregor. Fourth, Flopsy. Flopsy. Fifth, Mopsy. Mopsy. Sixth, Cottontail. Cottontail. Seventh, Peter. Peter. Eighth, Pocket. Pocket. Ninth, Noddy. Noddy. 10th, handkerchief. Handkerchief. 11th, scarecrow. Scarecrow. 12th, garden. Garden. Repeat after me children. 13th, mortar. Mortar. 14th, planks. Planks. 15th, onions. Onions. Okay. Now let us go for the question answers. A bit answer in brief. First one. Who was little Benjamin visiting? Where did they live? These answers you can write by your own as well, right? So A. Answer. Little Benjamin was visiting his cousins Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Okay. 4 cousins was visiting. They lived in the wood at the back of Mr. McGregor's garden. Next, second question. What did Mrs. Rabbit tell the little bunnies? What she said? Old Mrs. Rabbit had once told the bunnies that they may go into the fields down the lane, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Third, what was Peter wearing when little Benjamin found him? What he was wearing? When little Benjamin found him, Peter was wearing a red cotton pocket handkerchief. Next, fourth question. Why did little Benjamin and Peter hide under a basket? Little Benjamin and Peter hid under a basket because they were frightened, frightened, frightened by seeing a large cat sitting right over there. Now, fifth question. When did old Mr. Benjamin Bunny come looking for his son? Answer. Old Mr. Benjamin Bunny came looking for his son in the evening. And they started crying softly, right? Now be bit. Answer the questions. It spoils people's clothes to squeeze under a gate. The proper way is to climb down a pear tree. Who said these words? Yes, already we have discussed, right? Little Benjamin said these words. Where he was going? He was going into Mr. McGregor's garden. Very good, children. Second question. Little Benjamin and Peter started crying. Why did they start crying? Because they got frightened of a large cat. Now see it. Answer in detail. First question. How did Peter lose his shoes and coat? What happened to them after he lost them? So Mr. McGregor chased Peter in the garden and took his coat and shoes, which was later, L-A-T-E-R, later found on the scarecrow. Now second, who saved Peter and little Benjamin? How did he save them? Next, little Benjamin's father saved Peter and little Benjamin. He flung the cat, F-L-U-N-G, flung the cat into the garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden house, and locked the door, L-O-C-K-E-D, locked the door, D-O-O-R, door. Okay, children? So this D bit, as I said, that we have reduced our syllabus and some bits, so no need to write these bits, okay? D bit. This also no need to write, and words to know you have to write after words for practice. Let us see words to know. Bank, a raised area of ground along the edge of a river. Proper is nothing but correct, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct. Third, shrunk, became smaller. Fourth, planks, long, thin and flat pieces of wood. Mortar, a mixture of sand, cement and water used to join bricks or stones together. Sixth, garden house, a small building in a garden. Seventh, suggested. It means that he told Peter it was a good idea to fill the handkerchief with onions. Okay, children, the next is the grammar activity. This you can go through my channel, English Chatty Rocks. In that you can see the common nouns and proper noun activity, and I'll be sending you separately the video also. But this activity you have to paste in a notebook after writing the questions. So common nouns and proper nouns, as you know, common noun is the generic name of a person, place, animal or thing, and it will be in a small letter. So these are the examples: island, friend, tree, cousin, animal, student, teacher, school. Whereas proper noun, special names of a person, place, animal or thing, and it always starts with a capital letter. So June, Monday, mango, Tina, Raju, Delhi, India and KPIs. Okay children, so that's all for today. In the next video I will be explaining the worksheet, so you have to be ready with your workbook worksheet. Thank you. Bye bye.